So let's apply what we've learned about converting between different volume units of volume. So we've got let me just get my pen. 2.5 meters cubed. So you come over your diagram, that's meters cubed, and you're asked to convert it into millimeters cubed. So you're going to go backwards. You're going to go from the larger unit to the to a smaller unit. So we expect the number to get larger. So let's write that down. So 2.5 meters cubed. Now we can see down here to convert from meters cubed to centimeters cubed, we need to times by 100 cubed. Right, so that now gets us in centimeters cubed. And then we've got to go one more step. We've got to convert from centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed. So we've got to times by 10 cubed. So we end up with something like this: 2.5 times 100 cubed times 10 cubed. I'm going to work it out in my head, but you can use your calculator. My pen's playing up. That's going to be 2.5 times, that's going to be 6 zeros, another 3 zeros, so effectively I'm multiplying by a billion. 1 followed by 9 zeros. So we'll end up with 2,500,000,000, and that'll be millimeters cubed. So with volumes, conversions between like a large unit to a small, you're going to end up with a very large number. And let's put the units in. Okay, let's do the next one. This time I want to convert let me get a different colour. We want to convert from millimeters cubed to centimeters cubed, and then we're trying to get to kilometers, so we've got to go from millimeters cubed to centimeters cubed, then centimeters cubed to meters cubed, cubic meters, and then we're going to go from cubic meters to cubic kilometers. So this is going to be a huge number. I might use a different colour here. So 2.5, it's already in a scientific notation. You might be more comfortable if we convert that. You can type it into your calculator. Oh, come on, pen. So we're going to times by the first one. We're not timesing, we're dividing. So we're going to divide by 10 cubed. So that gets us in centimeters, cubic centimeters. Put an equal sign out the front. And then that 2.5, you type that in your calculator. And I think that leaves 250. You can check that if you want. Go to your calculator. Might as well evaluate this. I think you'll get 200 and let me check my calculator. I thought it was 250. Oh yeah, sorry. 10 to the power of 5 divided 10 to the power of 3 is 10 squared. That's 100. And now we're going to do the next part, divide by 100 squared. And that gets us into meters, cubic meters. So you go to your calculator. You could do this all in one step if you wanted to. You don't have to do it in parts. And let's drag that up a bit. Divide that by 100 cubed. Looks like I've written a square there, but it's meant to be So So we get 0.030 25, and that's meters cubic meters. Oh, my pen is playing up, really annoying. And the final step, then we're going to divide by 1,000 cubed, and that's going to be a tiny number. So let's just keep our answers already in there from the previous step and divide by 1,000 cubed. We end up at 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 13. And that's in kilometres, cubic kilometres. And there it is. You try some from the textbook. If you get stuck, use the diagram, highlight the jumps you've got to do, and use your calculator to work out the answer.